Don't worry about the camera. Just go about your business. Exactly. I told you just go about your business. Baby girl, you need to get a little bit more coordinated so you can crawl. Just a little bit more coordinated. Yeah. This scooting business is only going to get you so far. Well, come here. Come get my foot. Come get it. Yeah, get it. Get it, baby girl. You gonna take my sock off? Hey, sweetie. You really want that, don't you? I'm sorry, you cannot have it. Now I created a monster. Oh,